If you want your cucumber vine to produce more cucumbers, two simple techniques can make a huge difference. Many gardeners focus only on watering and fertilizing, but proper vine management is just as important. By pinching the growing tip at the right time and removing the first baby cucumbers, you can encourage a stronger plant that delivers a much larger harvest later in the season. The first important step is to cut or pinch the top of the cucumber vine when it reaches about 2 to 3 feet in length. This may seem strange because most people think a longer vine automatically means more cucumbers. However, when the main growing tip is removed, the plant redirects its energy into producing side shoots, also known as lateral branches. These side branches are where many cucumber varieties produce a large number of female flowers, and female flowers are the ones that become cucumbers. When the main vine keeps growing unchecked, it often focuses most of its energy on length rather than branching. The plant may become tall and sprawling, but it can take longer to produce a heavy crop. Pinching the top encourages the plant to become bushier and stronger. More branches mean more leaves, more flowers, and ultimately more cucumbers. A bushier plant also captures more sunlight, which increases photosynthesis and helps the plant generate the energy needed for fruit production. The second important technique is removing the first few baby cucumbers that appear on young vines. This can feel difficult because gardeners naturally want to keep every fruit they see. However, allowing a very young cucumber plant to carry fruit too early can slow down its overall development. When a cucumber plant starts producing fruit, it directs a large amount of energy and nutrients toward growing those cucumbers. If the plant is still small and developing its root system, this early fruit production can limit future growth. The vine may stay smaller, produce fewer branches, and develop fewer leaves. As a result, the total harvest over the season may actually decrease. By removing the first baby cucumbers, you encourage the plant to focus on building a stronger root system, thicker stems, and more foliage. A larger root system can absorb more water and nutrients from the soil. Stronger vines can support more flowers and fruit later. Once the plant has reached a good size and developed several healthy branches, it can produce a much larger number of cucumbers without becoming stressed. Combining these two methods, pinching the top at 2 to 3 feet and removing the first baby cucumbers, helps create a vigorous, well-branched cucumber plant. Instead of putting energy into early fruit or excessive vine length, the plant develops a strong foundation first. Once that foundation is established, it can support continuous flowering and abundant cucumber production throughout the growing season. These simple practices require only a few minutes, but can significantly increase the number of cucumbers you harvest from each vine.